Hello everyone, this is Certified Public Accountant from Istanbul Kota Business Group. Now I will explain you how to set up company in Turkey. What is company establishment process? I will explain you all legal process step by step. Let's start. First step, determine the address where you will receive service regarding establishing a company. And I think this is most important issue. If you should find an expert team to get company establishment service, accounting, bookkeeping service, tax service. An expert team will make all process very healthy. Experienced team important. If you find right address, good expert team, they will make all process as turnkey. Second step, determine company address. You need a workplace address for company established in Turkey. If you need a workplace or office, firstly you should rent it. If you don't need a workplace address, you can use a virtual business address alternatively. Virtual office address very cheap and very good alternative. If you don't need workplace, you can use a virtual business address. You can establish company. Third step, determine the type of company. Foreign investors, foreign people can establish LLC or GC in Turkey, yani limited company or joint stock company in Turkey. Limited liability companies are the most preferred ones as there is no capital blocking requirement. Yani you can establish limited company in 3-4 business day process very easy for limited company. Fourth step, determine of company informations. To establish company, you should determine company name. You should choose company main sector. You should determine company business activities. You should determine company capital. Company capital for limited company minimum 50,000 Turkish lira. For joint stock company minimum 250,000 Turkish lira. For limited company you don't need sell capital block to bank. You can establish company, then you can open bank account and you can put company capital in 2 years to company bank account. But for joint stock company, you should you should uh, put 25% of capital to company bank account when you company establishment process. On the other hand, our advice minimum 500,000 Turkish lira for company capital for foreign investors, and you should determine company representative. If there are company founders more than one, you should determine one person minimum for company legal activities. 5 step registry to Chamber of Commerce. Şimdi after determining company informations, we will make company main contract. Then we will get appointment from Chamber of Commerce. We will go Chamber of Commerce to registry process. This process takes 3 or 4 hours. After 4 hours, registry is completing. After registry, after 4 hours, Chamber of Commerce registry gazete will be ready. Yani we are making this process. Sixth step, get signature circular of company manager and power of attorney for accountant from notary. After Chamber of Commerce registry, you should get signature circular of company manager. This signature circular you will need all legal activities. Example, if you want to open bank account for company, you will need this signature circular. 7th step, registry to tax office. After finish Chamber of Commerce registry process, company must register to tax office. We are doing this process with power of attorney. We are doing legal applications. 8th step, if you use a physical office or shop, register to the municipality. If you using a virtual business address, you don't need. Only it is only for of shop or physical workplace. Step 9, open bank account for company. After registry process finish, you can go banks and you can apply to company bank account. All documents will be ready for bank account. You can apply and open bank account. Step 10, if you are going to import or export, determine a customs consultancy firm, make an agreement to follow up on foreign trade customs process. After these steps, company registry process will be finished, company will be ready. You can start business with your company. You can buy or sell product. You can open bank account for company. You can do all business activities. If you want to establish a company in Turkey, you can contact us every time for support. We are preparing a detailed cost table specific to your business free of charge in first stage. If you come our office with your passport, we are preparing all documents. We are doing all legal process. Yani example, if you come our office with your passport, after 3 days or 4 business day, company will be ready. You can prepare invoice after 4 days. I hope these informations will help you for your business. Have a good day. Regards.